Hello, welcome. You are a developer and need to purchase an API in ChatGPT for your application. In this video, I'm going to show you what you need to do, okay? Also, I will tell you some important information here. First of all, I'm not talking about the standard ChatGPT, which is the one that you subscribe to monthly. No, that's not it. I'm talking about buying API. Developer, right? So here on the OpenAI website, you will click here on the products option, and right below you will have here the API login option. If you already have an OpenAI account, you can simply log in here automatically. If you do not have an account, you will need to register. So I already have, so I'm going to click on this API option here, and it will open my desktop here. You can work with API. There are several functions here. My goal is to show about payment. In March 2024, the website here worked with monthly payments. You put your credit card there and it charged you monthly, not now. Now it charges prepaid, which I think is much better because you have more control. And about control, I'm going to give you some information that's very important here. Okay? So, by accessing the website, you will come here in the option, okay? I'll put it in Portuguese here to make it easier. I'll translate it here for you. Oh, I'll use it, okay? Click here and it will open this area with usage information. It is here in the option below the limit here. The limit will be increased. I will click and it will open a new page here. And at the end, there will be a link here where you can see the payment history or add credits here. In this option here, I will add credits. It will open this panel. Note that I already have some credit here that I have already bought. Below, I have the payment method and all the information, including you can see here how much it costs, ChatGPT and everything else. I'll just click here. Oh, add, right? Plus, if I want to add, if I already have the card in here, if I don't have the card, I will come under payment method and I will click here, add payment, and I will fill in the credit card information here. A detail here for you. When you fill in, be careful not to enter the country manually. Go through the list and select the country because many people end up confusing this part. So, just go there and choose the country by clicking here and you'll be there in Brazil, okay? And then you fill in and add it as a payment method. I won't add it because I already have it here. Once you have added it as a payment method, one thing you have to take care of is that when you are adding the card, it will appear underneath. One option, if you want, is for it to automatically recharge or not. Leave this option disabled because if you have automatic recharge, you will be charged automatically. Every month, ChatGPT goes there and charges. So deactivating it, how do I know if it is deactivated? You'll just come here, and you'll come down here in the main option, whether it's disabled or not. Okay? So what do you mean, Tiago? I'm going to put it here again for you to see. You're going to come here. I use it normally, right? What we're doing here. I'll come here to add, and here below, when you click to add more credit or see history here, it will be, deactivated, you see? I'll even translate it here for you to see, I disabled this option. If I enable automatic recharge, it will update automatically. And of course, I'll be able to configure how much I want automatically here, but I think it's safer to disable this option. If the app stops working, you come back here and add more credit, okay? Prices. Many people ask, how much does it cost here? You'll have a base, an idea, okay? To better understand how much it costs, here you will see the options of the following. Here you will have the price of each token more or less approximate. Then it shows here, then you will have an M or a K. Of tokens, the unit, how will it be represented? You can think of tokens as a piece of words, where 1,000 tokens is about 750 words. So you already have a notion. Remembering that there are the tokens you send and there are the tokens you receive. Understand? From the EPT chat. Then you have here the price base. If you want to take a look, 5 USD, 1,000 of input tokens. Then I think there is the amount spent in ChatGPT-4, and then you have the information in ChatGPT-4, in ChatGPT-3. There are several here. Just take a look. Okay, that's it. Did you like the video? Leave your like, share there. For those who don't know, thanks. Hi.